Samastipur. A district in Bihar is spread over an area of 2,904 square kilometers. Buddhi Gandak River flows through the town, but is facing difficulty due to rising waste pollution levels. With support from Bihar State Pollution Control Board, in partnership with Samastipur Municipal Corporation, HDFC Bank, Center for Environment Education and Navjagrati Service Provider are implementing the project Rural and Urban Landscape Free of Dry and Plastic Waste that aims to establish Material Recovery Facility (MRF) and strengthen waste management system of Samastipur. In the urban areas, waste is collected from households across 47 wards, 10 bulk waste generators through 30 vehicles of Nagar Nigam and 2 MRF vehicles. By establishing MRF with a shed area of 5,600 square feet, the center optimizes collection and sorting of all types of waste materials, including plastics, by user-friendly machinery such as conveyor belt, baler, air blower, weigh bridge and weigh scales, and plastic grinding. The efficient waste management system established under the project prompted Samastipur District Administration to expand its scope to rural areas, including 346 Gram Panchayats with 946 villages. This is being monitored through QR codes and digital real-time tracking operations.
समस्तीपुर जिले में संचालित MRF फैसिलिटी जो HDFC बैंक, सेंटर फॉर एनवायरमेंट एजुकेशन और नव जागृति के संयुक्त प्रावधान के तहत चल रही है। हमारे जिले में जो सभी पंचायतों में वेस्ट प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट जो बनी है, उसके जो कचरा इकट्ठा हो रहा है गांव-गांव, उसका भी निष्पादन करने के लिए ये संस्था काफी अच्छा कार्य कर रही है।
Waste from rural areas is collected by 2 Safai Mitras per village, 946 villages, using tricycles and transported to 346 waste processing units, WPUs, established under Government of Bihar, Lohia Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Waste is segregated at WPUs and transported monthly to 6 plastic waste management units, PWMUs, from October 2021 to November 2024. MRF has collected 2,638.45 metric tons of dry and plastic waste. Around 2,581.94 metric tons waste has been processed and sent to 12 aggregators or recyclers. This effort reduced 5,490 metric tons of CO2 emissions and saved 2,018 metric tons of virgin plastic production.
नगर निगम का जो संदेश है कि आप सूखा कचरा, गीले कचरा को अलग-अलग कराएं, डस्टबिन रखें। जो मेरी टीम सुबह-सुबह आपके यहाँ जाती है, उनको अलग-अलग आप कचरा उपलब्ध कराएं ताकि सीधे हमारे MRF पर या फिर जो कंपोस्ट फीड पर जाना है, वेट वेस्ट वो चला जाए और ड्राई हमारा MRF में चला जाए।
The project organized 238 community interventions, directly reaching 18,571 citizens. The project created direct employment for 20 to 25 citizens, including Safai Mitras, and indirect opportunities for 100 others. It also engaged 10 SHGs, 100 plus Kabadiwalas, 264 BWGs, including hotels, 19 schools or universities, 35 RWAs and 31 green volunteers. Project has directly reached more than 18,000 citizens. The project has been recognized. To save natural resources, I request you all to join us in our Swachhata efforts.